Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best Fluke multimeters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS Multimeter. The Fluke 117 multimeter, at first, looks very similar to the 116 True RMS meter. It has the same body, same build, same construction, and feel. And of course, the Fluke 117 can do all the things the 116 multimeter can. However, there is no doubt that the Fluke 117 multimeter is the more advanced device between the two. This Fluke 117 Electrician True RMS meter measures voltage, continuity, frequency, capacitance, oscillation, consent check, and continuity test as per usual. However, what's unique to it is that it is super sensitive. So much so that it can pick up voltages as low as 0.0001 V. Apart from this, the Fluke 117 also features True RMS, which the 116 doesn't. This allows for readings and tests from this Fluke multimeter to be far more accurate since it is less susceptible to manipulations from stray voltages and other unfavorable situations. Pros: low impedance. Measures 20 amp overload for 30 seconds. Capable of resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance test. Cat 3, 600V, safety rated. Easy and comfortable to use single-handedly. 6000 count large LCD screen display. Saves data. Non-contact voltage testing. Great customer support from Fluke sales experts. Cons: difficult to view from angles, poor contrast. Number 2. Our second best pick is Fluke 323 True RMS clamp meter. The very first thing you will notice about the 323 True RMS logging multimeter is, of course, its clamp. The price tag is fair enough, and the Fluke multimeter is what makes testing and analyzing electricals so much easier. How come? Well, unlike those alligator clamp which had to bite onto wires and other surfaces, the clamps, or jaws, open and engulf around wires and other things to test and measures electrical factors. You could say it has a no-touch approach. All you have to do is enclose the wire inside and bam! Your readings are ready. Great insulation multimeter for temperature readings. This clamp meter is more than suitable for use in the home, on the terrain, and in the light industry. It has a modern and more convenient clamp-style design. Lightweight, so you can easily attach your tool belts. Can be easily operated with just one hand. It is also good for 600V AC and DC voltage measurement. The product offers True RMS. Audible continuity sensor. Pros: the True RMS AC voltage and current offers precise measurements. Built-in temperature reader, both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Easy and comfortable to use single-handedly. Outstanding test for AC, DC voltage measurements. Cat 3, 600V safety rated. Saves data for later reference. Safety assessed. Cons: does not measure DC current. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fluke 115 Compact True RMS Digital Multimeter. If you are looking for a multimeter for electricians, then the Fluke 115 True RMS Digital Multimeter is one of the best Fluke multimeters for mechanics from Fluke to consider. The Fluke 115 True RMS Multimeter is a dedicated Fluke industrial device that every professional technician can appreciate. It features the True RMS AC voltage and current, offers the most precise and accurate measurement. although quite similar to the Fluke 116 HVAC in terms of performance and capabilities. Like the basic testing capabilities, voltage, resistance, diode test, oscillation, pulse width, and capacitance, the data record, and so on. However, there are still a couple of differences that make the Fluke 115 Compact True RMS a little more high capacitance and competent than the 116. First of all, the Fluke 115 True RMS digital multimeter has a larger display which makes viewing it heaps easier. It also has a maximum voltage AC, DC 600V safety rated. More or less, they both share very similar traits, but 115 True RMS digital multimeter is undoubtedly more of an automotive multimeter than a general-use device. Pros: True RMS capability, very true readings and tests. Built-in temperature reader, both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Easy and comfortable to use single-handedly. Cat 3 600V safety rated. 20A measure for 30 seconds. Very large LCD display. Cons: tends to misread when AC voltage is over 1500 Hz. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fluke 87V digital multimeter. The next name to make it to our listing the best meter for electricians review is also one of the best all-around Fluke multimeter for electronics. It is the Fluke 87V and is the best Fluke tester for HVAC usages, industrial troubleshooting for issues related to motor drive, power distribution, or other electromechanical problems. It is also Cat 3 1000V, Cat 4 600V safety rate. Yes, the 87V combo kit multimeter for electronics is a little expensive. But it is totally worth it when you slowly start to realize how dynamic and fantastic of a Fluke multimeter this truly is. The 87V is absolutely the best digital multimeter for DIY enthusiasts who need a little something in the HVAC system. One of the best features on this insulation multimeter, however, is its audible warning, which lets you know every time you're doing something incorrectly. A great way of making sure you get a perfectly accurate measurement. Pros: built-in temperature reader, both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Manual and auto ranging. Auto turn off. Safety assessed. Includes a carry case. Comes with lifetime warranty. Great customer support from Fluke sales experts. Cons: small display. Fluke Connect is not available in outside of USA. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Fluke 116 HVAC Multimeter Standard. The 116 test tools are hand-downs one of the convenient and user-intuitive Fluke multimeters out there. It isn't rocket science to operate but is still packed with heaps of capabilities and features. If you didn't guess from the name already, the Fluke 116 is the best Fluke meter for automotive use and electrical work. One of the nicer features about this automotive multimeter is that it has a built-in thermometer that you can use on your Fluke multimeters to find out their temperatures. The 116 HVAC multimeter also offers you microamp testing, which can be used to test flame sensing, which we think it pretty essential with HVACs. Apart from this HVAC multimeter also uses low Z. Low Z makes sure that the multimeter does not indulge in ghost readings through stray voltages, something awfully typical and common with most basic multimeters. Pros: manual and auto ranging, versatile. Best used for measuring resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance. Built-in temperature reader, both in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Easy and comfortable to use single-handedly. Microamps for testing flame sensors. Correct min/max/average readings. Large LCD screen display. Saves data. Safety assessed. Includes a carrying case. Cons: no Cat 4 safety rating. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.